Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix ERR SPDY protocol error in the Google Chrome. So first of all you have to open your browser, Chrome browser. So first of all you have to make sure that you have disconnected all of the VPNs that are connected to your Google Chrome. This was our first step. After this you have to move on the next step. Then click on the three dots at the very top right corner and then click on the settings option here. Now an interface will be open for you. You have to just scroll down and find here an option of about Chrome here. At the very bottom of the page you will find this type of the option. Just click on it. When you click on this option your Google Chrome will automatically get started for update, and you can see that my Google Chrome has been updated here. It will take a while. After doing this process you have to just move on the next step. You have to click on the privacy and the security at the left side of the page, and then now you have to just click on the clear browsing data. Here you have to select the all the time option here and then click on the clear data. After doing this process your problem will be resolved successfully. Let's move on the next step. You have to set your date and time of your PC or laptop. To set it you have to just open your window and then click on the settings option. Now you have to here select the time and the language. Click here and now you have to just select the date and time, and now turn these two options in on mode. Set time automatically and set time zone automatically. The next method is that you have to open your incognito mode, then your problem will be resolved. And the next method is that you have to open your command line prompt in your PC and then write here the specific key which is named as flush DNS. You have to just put such type of the key here, then press enter and you will be successfully flush the DNS resolver cache and your problem will be resolved. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give this video like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.